ngalesi sikhathi ngisuke sengithi bamba sengiyavala ekseni bamba ke sengiyavala before you start your day. Incwadi yamaHubo chapter 30 verse 5, weeping may tarry for the night but joy comes in the morning. Nanti verse ngicela ngibambele lona namhlanje as you are getting ready to start your day. David is reflecting in his life, his very hard and difficult life after being in the wilderness for the longest time. Elusizimvu zikababa wakhe abafowabo bengamuzwisisi kahle, bengamfuneli lutho oluhle, babefuna nje ahambe yohlala endle adliwe zilwane kuphele ngaye. Yet they had no idea ukuthi God has a plan ngempilo kaDavide. Kwesinye isikhathi people reject you kanti abazi ukuthi umuntu wecebo likaNkulunkulu noma ngabe ungamphosa ogwadule, he will blossom and flourish. Ngoba umuntu wecebo akavinjwa ngabantu, akavinjwa izimo, but he continues to blossom and rise above izinto abantu abayiletha kuyena. Same thing happened with David. As much as abafowabo babengamfuni, kodwa babengamfuni enecebo likaNkulunkulu, enamandla kaNkulunkulu, kuthiwa babemlusisa izimvu ehlala yedwa kwaluseni. But in the midst of the wilderness, uNkulunkulu wamthwala waba naye. He's now reflecting on his life ukuthi ngidlule intweni eziningi kodwa uNkulunkulu belokho engithwalile. Simuzwe sekhuluma ethi weeping may last for a night but joy is coming in the morning. Into engithanda ngokukhuluma ngakoleli verse, uDavid has the understanding ukuthi the night is just the season, temporary, engekho forever. Uthi I might be walking through the night but ubusuku engidlula kubona, it's not permanent, it's for a moment. Kuzodlula bese kufika ukusa. Ngamanye amagama, he is understanding ukuthi weeping has an expiry date. Kuzofikelwa isikhathi ukuhlwa nokukhala la khona kuphela khona. Your tears might be flowing out of your eyes ngoba usadlula kwisizini yokuba sebusuku, kodwa ngifuna ukukutshela ukuthi weeping lasts only for a night. Joy is coming in the morning. Weeping is not your destiny. Weeping is not your final place. Indawo nje isizini efika besiyadlula. Weeping is not your resident. Ubusuku akusiyi indawo ohlala kuyona forever. Okwesikhashana kuyafika bese kuyadlula. You might be going through the night as we are speaking, but it is not forever. It is just for a moment. It is just a season ezodlula. Your tears, your pain, akusikho kongunaphakade kuyafika bese kuyadlula. There is a season of joy that is coming. Joy is coming in the morning. Joy is not optional. Kodwa iyeza noma kanjani, noma ungadlule ebuhlungwini kwamanje, but joy is scheduled by amazulu ukuthi efike empilweni yakho. Kuzosana kweyakho impilo. You might have cried yesterday, but namhlanje uNkulunkulu is sending joy your way. Weeping may last only for a night, kodwa kusazosa bese uNkulunkulu enza kungcono. uDavid uyafakaza lapho uthi ngibonile ngidlule ebusuku, ngibonile ngiba surrounded by the enemies, ngibonile bengirejecta bengangifuni, ngibonile bengibiza ngamagama. Uthi I was going through my darkest season, but I know ukuthi kusazosa. This night is not the end. Ubuhlungu odlula kubona, it is not your final destination. It is just the setup for new beginning. Kunento engcono ezayo okwakho. If you are still going through the night, you need to hold on. You need to persevere. You need to press on and never give up. Ngoba your joy is coming. Your celebration season is coming. Your moment to rise is coming. uJob lost everything while he was going through the night. But uJoseph went through the prison. He was going through the season of the night. Noma bemlahla bafowabo wayisadlula ebusuku, but joy was on the way. Not just when he was crucified on the cross, he was just going through the night. But awavuke thuneni ngoba joy is coming in the morning. You might be discouraged right now. You might be disappointed okwamanje, but I promise you ukuthi joy is coming in the morning. Ungalahli ithawula, ungalahli ithemba, khona okungcono kuzayo. Your joy is coming in the morning. My name is Phumlani Nkwanyana. You are blessed, you are favored, and you are set apart. Good morning.